into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fast.
What's up, guys? Dennis Stapleton here from Motocross Action Magazine. We're out here at High Point Raceway for the 2016 KX450 launch. Team Green has been developing this bike since 1981. It's their 35th year. Their objective of the new bike for 2016 was all new, lighter, slimmer, easier to ride. With the radiators at a 10-degree V-shaped angle, allows the bike to be narrower at the radiator shrouds with a flat seat for rider comfort and ability to move around on the bike. New, lighter, powerful engine with new engine cases, camshaft, redesigned airbox for airflow to create smoother delivery of power. New crown design for bridge box piston to accommodate intake valve change. New throttle body that is 3.7 millimeters shorter. Chassis highlights, 3.1 pounds lighter and 6 millimeters slimmer. All new swing arm, new lower friction fork seals. The rear shock is 6 ounces lighter. For the brakes, they have the 270 millimeter oversized front rotor, which is biggest in class, along with a 240 millimeter rear disc. Rear sprocket, all new design, 1.8 ounce savings in weight. Fuel tank shape, lower center of gravity, increasing 1.6 gallons that allows the seat to sit flatter on the bike. The new designed airbox eliminates all the steel parts. Along with the rear fender that allows more airflow, Kawasaki comes back with the 3 coupler design along with the KX450F calibration kit. The all-new exhaust is 2 decibels quieter along with the all-new resonance chamber. Kawasaki comes back with the 2-position foot pegs and 4-position handlebars. We're excited to get the KX450 back home, race it, ride it, put it through the ringer, and give you guys all the updated information you need. Check out Motocross Action Magazine for the newest test on the bike, or the latest info, check out motocrossactionmag.com.